Welcome to TaxTron web tutorial video series. In today's video, we are going to discuss the Ontario tax reduction. So, what exactly is the Ontario tax reduction? Well, it reduces or eliminates the income tax you owe in Ontario. The amount of your reduction depends on several factors, including where you lived at the beginning and end of the tax year, the number of dependents you have, your marital status, your payable income tax. Now, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for the Ontario tax reduction, you must be a Canadian resident on January 1st and an Ontario resident on December 31st of that same tax year. For instance, if you lived in Ontario on December 31st, but lived outside Canada on January 1st of the same year, you cannot claim the Ontario tax reduction. Let's see how this works with a practical example on the TaxTron web platform. Assume you earn $25,000 a year and have a dependent who is under 18 years old. First, let's get started by logging into the TaxTron web platform. Head over to the T1 Clients section and select an existing client. From there, create a new return for this specific client. Before proceeding further, make sure the Personal Information section under Identification is complete and accurate. This foundational step is crucial for the tax return process. Next, we need to complete the information for the dependent. Go to the Dependent tab and answer yes to the question, do you have children or financially support another person? Complete your dependent's information as shown in the video, and click Next. Now, go to the Income tab and locate the Profile tab. Answer the question, did you work in 2023, and click Next. Complete the T4 as shown in the video. To see the Ontario tax reduction, print the record keeping from Review and File. Then, scroll down to the form called Ontario Tax, or ON 428. Look for Part C named Ontario Tax, Continued. Here you will see the Ontario tax reduction. Here, you can see a $274 basic reduction, and for your dependent, you're getting a reduction of $506. Altogether, after the calculation, this person is getting an Ontario tax reduction of $952.24. Now, let's see how this reduction lowers or eliminates the income tax you may pay in Ontario. For this taxpayer, the Ontario taxable income is $1,253.16. After subtracting his Ontario non-refundable tax credits, his Ontario tax payable is reduced to $607.76. With the Ontario tax reduction of $952.24, his Ontario tax payable is reduced to zero. After analyzing the entire Ontario tax, you can see that his total payable is $288.91, which is from his Ontario health premium. And that's it. We have walked through how to claim the Ontario tax reduction using the TaxTron web platform and how it impacts the overall tax payable. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tax tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.